Hello! Today I wanted to talk about fertilizer numbers, the NPK ratio, and a small experiment I did with these two strawberry plants. Fertilizer comes with numbers on the front. This one here, it's got a 6 and a 12 and a 12, and that's referred to as the NPK ratio. That stands for nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. A simple way to think about it is the first number is up, the second number is down, and the third number is all around. Up, down, all around. It's a bit of a cheat, but it's a simple way to think about the numbers. The first number, nitrogen, it helps make plants grow quickly. The organisms in the soil help convert the nutrients in the soil into something that the plants can use. So it'll help it grow really quickly. And when you see like lawn fertilizer, it'll usually have a really high nitrogen number. Like this lawn fertilizer here, you'll see is a 32 for the first number. So that's quite high, but it's intended for lawn fertilizer so that your lawn will grow really quickly and go really green. And the second number is phosphorus, and that's an important element for photosynthesis, but it also helps form flowers and seeds and fruits. And the third number is potassium. That helps regulate water in cells and is the overall health of a plant. So that's the up, down, and all around. And those are the primary nutrients, the NPK, but there's also secondary nutrients that are important to a plant, like calcium, magnesium, sulfur. They all play key roles, but these three, the NPK, are the essential primary nutrients. I conducted an experiment, and following the manufacturer's recommendations on this fertilizer here, I added a teaspoon to this strawberry plant here at the beginning of June, and I didn't do anything with this strawberry plant. I purchased them at the same store at the same time, off the same pallet, and I put them in the same spot on my deck, and they both got the same amount of sun and water. And it's amazing. This one here, 8 weeks later, you can see how lush it is. It's got all kinds of leaves and blossoms and lots of strawberry fruit. And this other one here, it's really stunted looking. It actually doesn't look very healthy. I think it's going to die, but it's amazing. This was just 1 tablespoon of this blended into the pot. And it's tricky because, there's not a lot of soil in the pots. So, the nutrients get consumed rather quickly. But you have to be careful too. I did another experiment where I didn't follow the manufacturer's recommendations, and I have these two plants. And you can see this one here, I put in 2 tablespoons and it killed the plant. Because it's too much of a good thing, it'll kill it. But for the strawberries, I followed the recommendations and it turned out. So in summary, the 3 numbers on the fertilizer are NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. And the quick cheat to think about it is up, down, all around. And it's a good way to remember the NPK ratio. Thank you very much.